I think solar is a really important part of the whole mix. There's solar, there's wind, there's other renewables. It's going to take us a little while to transition completely to renewables. The door is open for solar, it can't get closed again. The momentum is there for renewables. It is good for all of us. It's good for us and it's good for our children. In addition to that, as electric vehicles become more popular, there's going to be greater requirements for charging these vehicles. So having solar as a way of charging the vehicles during the day will help offset that increase in consumption. And electrical vehicles are good if we're not using fossil fuels and petrol and diesel. And if we can effectively drive around via the sun, then that's obviously going to be better for all of us. In a commercial situation, it's obviously more focused on a return on investment, but business owners should feel really happy and pleased with themselves that not only are they saving themselves some money, but they're improving the environment and are helping us reduce our carbon footprint. Though it might not be the major factor from a commercial perspective, but business owners should promote the fact that they are doing these things to their customers, because I think they will get some, return customers and their clients will appreciate what they're doing, and that might be a way where they can get some benefit by promoting the fact that they're doing the right thing by the environment.